Jack. So we're gonna open up a new present. This is from Uncle Chris. He wasn't able to make your party, but he sent along a present.
So let's see.
What do you think? You excited?
Yeah.
What's it gonna be?
It looks pretty big. Let's open it.
What's that, babe? Let me see.
Mario.
Oh, it's a Mario. What does it do? Jack. Oh, there's more? Oh, let me see.
Still digging. Still digging.
Holy moly. There's still more things in that bag. That's crazy.
Jackie, I found something. There you go. What else is in here, Jackie? You want to look? Jackie, push the head down.
I like the hat. Jack, let me see. What happens if you push his head down?
I'll show you. Hold on.
Oh, like he gets small?
That is cool. Do it again.
Open that.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. Oh, you know what? Look at it. It comes with its own little track.
Okay. Slam it.
That is cool.
Wait.
Let's see.
Oh,
Oh, guys, what's that music from?
the cat. Yeah.
It bounced right off the table. Oh, what happened? What happened? He died. Let's try again. In an epic battle against Mario and Yoshi, 2 contestants will race. Who'll be the winner?
Me.
Who's me?
Maya.
Who'll be the winner?
Yoshi. Maya.
Ready? Let's find out. Go! I think it was a tie. Maybe Yoshi won. I'm not sure. Want to try again?
Mommy.
Ready? On your mark.
No, she.
Get set. Go!
Good morning. Good morning, Bacon. How's your breakfast? How's your breakfast? Sounds like it's yummy. Sounds yummy. How's breakfast? So I know his name is Bacon. Oh, and this is Peppa. Hi, Peppa. Hi, girl. Hi, baby. Hi. They're piggies. So these are the original piggies that we got. We brought them home as babies, and they are sweethearts. They're actually both boys. I know I just said a girl. I don't know why, but anyway, they're both boys. And then my cousin actually gave us the 2 other pigs that we have in the pen here, which is Bertha and Piglet. And so we have 4, but these 2 guys are sweethearts. They're super gentle, and I know one's name is Peppa and one's Bacon, but Peppa is like Peppa Pig, the cartoon, because our kids love that, and Bacon is just silly. We're not really going to be used for Bacon. They're our pets and we love them, so say goodbye. He's so cute. He's really big and he looks intimidating, but he's actually a sweetheart. Oh, I'm your sweetheart. Yes, you are. Yes, you are. Huh, baby? Yes. Well, when we first got him, you remember?
Yeah.
When we first got him, we were a little bit nervous because the previous owner just, they didn't have a lot of time to spend with him. And so when we got him home, I don't know if you guys know this, but goats actually, they jump up and then they slam their heads together. And so this beast and Tinkerbell, they were slamming their heads together. And so remember, babe, we were like freaking out. Like, what did we just take on?
Yeah.
These goats are going to kill somebody. But they actually just do that with each other and they're totally sweet to us.
Guys, there she is. Do 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 do.
I don't know how
Take.
this is going to stay on.
Take.
Where's another costume?
Hold on. Jack Sparrow. Jack Sparrow. Super goats. Do, 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 do. It's Super Goat. Bum, ba, never fear.
Daddy, I want to put this on.
Buckley is here. Buckley to the rescue. Super Goat. Super Goat. Da, 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 da. Super Goat won't back down to the bully.
Here, Daddy.
Shh.
Daddy.
Hello, Miss Piggy. Where's Kermit? Where is Kermit the Frog? Where is he? I love you, boa.
super goats.
Go that way.
Oh, fix his, can you fix his cape, Cutter?
Go.
Joey?
I'm gonna put on the.
Who do you call? Who do you call when dogs are invading? You call super goats.
Ooh, Piggy, don't dirty your boa. That's not a clean tubby. You've been putting your dirty feet in there. Woo. Hey, Cutter, run. Run.
The builder. Pig the
Construction
builder.
Piggy!
Do, 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 do.
Yay!
Pig the builder. Very nice. Robbery in progress. There's a goat flying around with a cape on. We need you to look into this. Can you help us? Excuse me, conductor. What time can we catch the train?
You look cute, Conductor Peppa. Conductor Peppa. Hi, babies. Hello. Can you say hello to the camera? Can you say hello? Say hi to everybody. Say hi. Hi, big boy.
Mommy,
I love you.
where's your piggy hat?
What's that?
What's on your head?
Bacon's like, what is on my face? It's a piggy, Bacon. It's a piggy hat. Hi, baby. Tinkerbell. Oh, I love you too, baby. Oh, gonna knock me over. Gonna knock me over. Gonna knock me over. Oh, such a sweet boy. Are you a good boy? Huh? Are you a good boy? Never mind. He's not doing it now. You look cute with your hair. I like that. Ooh, you're so handsome.